Okay, so you've made it to the end of the video series. Congratulations. Congrats for getting this far. You should give yourself at this stage a huge pat on the back, because we know that the information that you've learned is a hell of a lot of information to take in. Even in professional trading circles, professional traders and hedge fund managers at the beginning of their careers struggle to get to grips with this stuff for a long time. And if you feel that you've managed to get a handle and good solid understanding on what we've taught you in the video series, it means you've done really, really well to get to this point. So congrats, big pat on the back. Now we're going to move on to the exam. It's 100 questions, multiple choice, and you have 90 minutes to complete the exam. It's all electronic, online. That means with the time limit, you're going to have 54 seconds on average to complete each question. Now the exam format is in multiple choice, so you're going to have A, B, C and D responses for each question. The exam itself is one shot, so you can only take the exam once. Also, each question is a one-shot question. So once you've actually chosen your answer, clicked submit and gone to the next question, you can't actually go back. We find this exam format works the best because it means you'll think about your answers to the questions, think about the questions longer and more concise in time, and you'll be able to commit to the answer better and quicker. So also when you move on, we find with multiple choice time restricted exams, it's better that once you've committed that you don't go back, because once you go back you start to mess around and you might not even complete the exam. So it's better to just commit to the questions, commit to the answers and submit and move on and never go back. So the grading system, you have to get 50% to pass the exam. Between 50 and 60 you're going to get a pass mark. Between 60 and 70, you're going to get a merit mark, and above 70%, you're going to get a distinction. Now, if you get a distinction, that means not only have you done really well to get this far and complete the video series, but it means that you've actually really learned something and you've got a really good handle and understanding of what has been going on and what we've taught you. So that's the main reason why we do the exam in the first place. It's basically to test yourself to see if you've actually learnt anything. The second reason is if your objective is to go into the industry, the exam is going to help you in that firstly you can test yourself to know if you've learnt anything from this video series, but also you're going to receive a certificate with your grade and score on it signed off by the institute. And you're also going to receive text on a PDF, which you can cut and paste and put on your resume. And all of these buzzwords are the key words that are required to get the attention of traders, both at investment banks and at hedge funds. The third reason we actually make the exam in the way that we do it is because it's a qualification process for the institute itself. We have many traders who come through our video series, pass the exam with a grade of pass, merit or distinction. And then this is where the real test begins, because once you've completed the exam, we need to know that you've actually learned something and have it on record. Because the guys that come into the institute or who choose to come into the institute open their trading accounts and start trading with real money. Now you can open your trading account after you've taken the exam with any retail brokerage company in the world. It doesn't really matter which platform you use, as long as you can get a good breadth of instrumentation and you can get good liquidity. The principles that you've learned and the teachings from the video series can be applied anywhere in the world. If you come into the institute, the third reason why we have an exam, as I said, is the qualification process for us. Because this is where it now begins. After the exam, if you open your trading account with the Institute having viewing rights on your account through one of our brokers on the accounts section on the website, we will be able to have a historical record of what you've learned and how you have done with your track record in your trading account with the broker that you choose, and therefore that will enable us to qualify you 9 to 12 months down the road when we're assessing whether we should invite you into the Institute on a power of attorney contract to trade our money on a managed account. So if you're interested in doing that, you can always join the Institute after the exam. If you're not, then it's fine. You can go and apply the principles and the teachings of the video series anywhere in the world on any retail brokerage platform. But for getting this far, congratulations again. It's been an absolute pleasure to teach you the professional trading approach in Forex and how traders actually approach this market properly. I hope to see you on the other side in the Institute. But if not, regardless of whether you're in the Institute or not, it's been an absolute pleasure. Good luck with your objectives in trading. Happy trading and go and make some money.